What's up, guys? Welcome back to Print Hammer. We have another 40K model spotlight today. We're looking at the Tyranid.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
What's up, guys? We have Leviathan here. It's all ready. Wait, it's not the 25th. What's going on here? I pre-ordered my Leviathan, but I woke up and I didn't have it, and it was taking too long. So, naturally, we've printed our own Leviathan box. And we are going to be showing every single model for the Tyranids and the Space Marines, all printed on an 8K printer. We're going to be covering every model in Leviathan, as well as the locations you can find those juicy STLs, so please enjoy this preview and the individual model spotlights to come.